and cafe shop, that is for online and offline synchronization of point of sale orders. The purpose of the software is to have support of a global warming and have a paperless work. Let's move on to the point of sale. You have several configurations to be done, several table management, waiting queue management also there. There's also properties configuration. Going on to the waiting queue first, we can select customer, number of persons we have to select. You can select reservation date, let's say 11th of April. You can set another customer over here, Ayan Agarwal. Set number of persons on table, having them selected as left. When you click on the right button over there, you can say that okay, these are the people assigned to the waiting queue, so you can assign the queue. You move on to next once you allow or deny. Next is table master. Let's say you have in your restaurant or cafe, you have several tables configured. Over there you can set number of people as a capacity per table. Also you can assign that which are the waiters, which are the users for OpenERP who are allowed to manage the tables. Let's say in many restaurants we have seen that only few waiters are allowed to manage only few tables, so you can set the allocation accordingly. One of the very important features is single choice and multiple choice property. Let's say if you want to go for the pizza, you might select number of toppings. Say one topping would be a multiple one, another things might be a single choice. Let's say for example this is a multiple choice ones. You can set let's go back, I'm sorry, multiple choice one. Okay, what you can do is you can have a specific pizza with these choices available, black grapes, carrots and everything. This is the product. Over the down you can select for this product you can set the multiple configuration available. These are the products list. Okay, so for Dr. Oetkadla, you have margarita pizza. You have 3 different toppings to be selected as a whole. Next example would be single choice. Let's say you want to have a cheese on this with the Coca-Cola as well. So you have to choose only one for Coca-Cola and move on. So that's the specific property configuration. Now let's go for the session. Let's start it. When you start a session, you will see a window. So this is a specific development made by Serpent CS, where you have several choices of a table available which are available for allocation. Over there you will see the images. These images show the capacity of the table. Let's say you select table number 4 with the 4 people. Also you have table number 2. Let's select anyone here, and you can select multiple as well. That's a choice. Let's go on. So if you know that there are 2 tables selected, table 4 and 5, they are merged. So that's a facility we are providing to merge and split the tables. You can also merge tables, split tables as and when needed. Let's select customer. For now, let's go for some food. Select some food, pizza. Select one, margarita. Okay, so this is the choice. This is what we configured. For the toppings, we can select multiple things at the same time. Carrots black in there. And for the cheese, this S is a single choice. You can select either of the one. Let's select. Let's proceed. Over the left, you will see the choices with the description: black grapes, carrots, Coca-Cola, and the information. You see the total. Now let's as it's a summer here, let's get some ice cream. Also water. Let's get some ice cream. Choose one, vanilla one. Okay. Set consumer. As the order is confirmed, now we have to get sent to the kitchen. When we send to the kitchen, order will be sent to the kitchen. There will be session stored. Let's say there's another waiter in another terminal. He's going to have the order. He will log in again as a demo user. That's another user, another waiter for us. He will see in the session that how many other tables are allocated. So those tables which are not allocated, he will not be able to see. So here you see the table number 4 and 5 are allocated for another user. This user is only able to see the table number 6 and 8. Let's say there is some other order for him as well. Choose few things, go on and select the customer and send to the kitchen. This is the order. Let's say Bengali, send to kitchen. Now one of the very important features we are showing you here is the synchronization of order, so that as you see there are 2 users having their own orders differently. Now this particular order on the right side is for table 4 and 5 together. This on the left side is for the table number 6. Now if you want to merge all the orders all together, you can click on the order. You can synchronize orders. You will see that these are the running orders which is going on, and you can edit the particular order from this screen as well. Let's say you want to add something, you add. Okay, one more bottle please. Okay, so these are the things you can send to the kitchen. Once you send to the kitchen, next stage is to get the kitchen person ready with the order. Now let's log in as a kitchen person, so you can know that which are the orders pending for him. Okay, there is a specific touchscreen provider for kitchen. Kitchen user gets logged in, he will be able to see, as his hands will be not be free every time, his hands will be dirty. We have provided a special module, a special feature for him, which will be giving him the possibility to move order from one stage to another stage. He will see all the orders in a queue. Once the order is ready, he will set to be done. Once it is set to be done, the restaurant person who is managing all the orders, he or she will be putting order to be is done, and then it will be served. This screen, the magic of the screen is, this particular screen is having a facility to auto refresh, which is kind of a different one provided by someone else. So moving on, then the kitchen is ready, the order is ready, the order is served. We can simply traverse from one order to another, so you can see the order is ready. So okay, you can manage that. There would be Chinese chef, there would Punjabi chef, there would be South Indian chef, kind of a continental chef, kind of depending on the user. You can set different categories, and depending on the categories, he or she will be able to see the particular orders, so we can manage that as well. Now the final point would be the printing receipt, which is KOT. Print the receipt, the kitchen tips you can see, and once the report is printed, you can follow the normal process of point of sale. Okay guys, so this is the video for offline and online synchronization of point of sale with restaurant and cafe version 7. Thank you.